In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on BCH future while talking about Bitcoin money cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Bitcoin money. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Bitcoin money value expectation and answer questions in the event that BCH in every practical sense, is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will BCH most certainly succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Bitcoin money value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is BCH and its to-date history. Bitcoin money introduction in mid-2017. A gathering of engineers needing to build Bitcoin's block size limit arranged a code change. The change, called a hard fork, produced results on August 1, 2017. Thus, the Bitcoin record called the blockchain and the digital currency split in two. Bitcoin money, Cash, was made out of strain among early Bitcoin financial backers over rising exchange charges and progressively unique suppositions on the best on-chain scaling answers for Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money additionally focuses on severe adherence to what is referred to Satoshi's as vision for the first Bitcoin. Seen distributed exchanges as the guiding principle recommendation of the organization and the component that ought to be advanced versus other contending factors like security. It varies from the kind of different adaptations in that it empowered the increment of the block size from 1 MB to 8 MB. Its general objective for the most part is to expand the quantity of exchanges that can be handled by the organization, trusting that Bitcoin money can fundamentally rival the volume of exchanges that industry Goliaths like PayPal and Visa can at present process. Bitcoin money value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed extremely high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to generally do likewise. We really have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history, which is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation model basically is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each undertaking, which certainly is very critical. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative for the most part potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Bitcoin money value expectation 2022, which generally is very huge. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. Underneath especially is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 18.57%, $97.48. 2022 November, which is genuinely huge, minus 28.09%, $86.08. 2022 December, as opposed to mainstream thinking, minus 28.95%, $85.06. 2023 Jan, which is genuinely huge, minus 23.83%, $91.19. 2023 February minus 15.68%, $100.95. 2023 Blemish minus 12.39%, $104.88. 2023 April minus 8.65%, $109.36. 2023 May, which fundamentally is very huge, plus 6.03%, $126.92. 2023 June plus 11.48%, $133.45. 2023 July plus 17.45%, $140.60. 2023 August plus 14.65%, $137.24. 2023 September incredibly plus 23.60%, $147.96. BCH Value Forecast 2025. Amazingly, our forecast model sees BCH coming to $229.85 in 2025. What will BCH basically be somewhat worth in 5 years? Lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of BCH in 5 years could lie around $226.38. Bitcoin money value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Bitcoin money will be genuinely worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $574.62 in 2030. What Bitcoin money will in a real sense be worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees Bitcoin money coming to $1,149.23 in 2040. Will Bitcoin money supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge? No, Bitcoin money won't supplant or surpass BTC, which is very huge. Might Bitcoin money generally at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Bitcoin money could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2022. Is Bitcoin money worth purchasing? We are supporters of tolerably unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Bitcoin money merits purchasing, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Bitcoin money an especially wise speculation? Bitcoin money is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It does truly have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the very great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a very strong group behind it. What amount will Bitcoin